In this video, I'm going to show from an administrator's point of view, or anyone that is given authorization to how to claim portfolios, completed portfolios. I'm going to log in as the administrator. Go up to the tool and you'll see there's an option to import and export. I'll click that. Now this was based on the Awards Online system because when it was built it worked in tandem with that system, but this will enables you to access those that you can claim for achievement. It also shows you any portfolio, should you go in to check it, that are waiting. So as this is a test site, we can't actually obviously claim any, but there are a couple in here that are just waiting in the test site. So it's showing you here, there's two portfolios here, the learner's details and their qualifications. So I just select include in export there and click download. And it's telling me there's an export file has been generated, which I can click and download. And this will show me, I can save this onto my own system, the unit codes or the candidate registration numbers and the qualification there. Now this, as I say, was built based on the system for Awards Online, which is no longer in use, but it gives you a snapshot of the information regarding the completed portfolios. Or you could just use that system and just copy and paste that information and put it into your own spreadsheet ready for when you claim through our Quartz web system. Thank you.